morning, good morning, good morning. Can you guys hear me okay? Give me a sound check, please. Give me a sound check. Thumbs up, you guys can hear me okay? Let me know so I can get started here. I know it's been a while. It's been like forever since I've been on here. Crazy. Good to go. All right, perfect. So good morning, everybody. Happy to be back. I know yesterday I was supposed to have been live yesterday. However, my flight was heavily delayed. I'm talking about we were supposed to take off at 8:03 and we did not take off until after 11, almost 12. Sat on the runway for over an hour because of weather and delays and stuff like that. So I was not able to come live yesterday because I didn't get home until 3. And by the time I settled myself, took a shower, laid down and got to bed, it was after 4. And in case any of you are wondering why I couldn't sleep on the damn plane, it's because, of course, with my good luck, right, my wonderful luck, I got seated with a crying child in front of me and a crying and kicking the back of my seat child behind me. And let me tell you, when I tell you I wanted to punch that dad in the face for the kid that was sitting behind me, because this freaking idiot, I don't know if he just had kids yesterday and he didn't know how to handle his damn kids, but his kid kept kicking my chair and I'm looking at him, I'm like, bro, you're sitting right next to him. Do you not see him kicking the back of my chair? And I had to tell him like 3 times, bro, can you stop your kid from kicking the back of my chair? To the point where I'm like, flat out, sir, can you switch seats with your kid? Can he kick the back of someone else's chair? Every time he's looking at me like, oh, okay, sorry. I'm trying to calm him down. Bro, it was ridiculous. Parents who have kids who can't control their kids on an airplane, don't teach their kids how to behave on an airplane. It's ridiculous. And the kid was like, 6? He was of age that he could listen to his dad when his dad is talking to him. And it was 2 of those little fuckers too. It was 2 of them. And I'm just sitting there like, bro, my kids would never. No way am I gonna have kids and my kids are gonna act like that on an airplane. I'm so sorry. You get on an airplane with your kids, teach your kids how to act on an airplane. You're not the only ones on the airplane. And then he's watching a movie. The kid is watching a movie on his phone. The whole plane can hear the movie. Mad loud. And I'm like, bro, they gotta tell you to turn your kids' volume down so the rest of the plane can enjoy their peace and quiet? We're all frustrated. We're all tired. Our flight's been delayed 3, almost 4 hours. Everybody want to get home. We're on this plane and we got to listen to your kids scream and carry on. And we got to listen to whatever they're watching as well. Like, come on, man. It is crazy. It is really crazy. Like, it's ridiculous. Time to fly private? Yeah, it's about that time. It's about that time. Because what the hell, man? Come on. People these days, man. People these days. I tell you. People these days don't know how to control their badass, loud-ass kids. And those of you that are thinking, oh, was the kid autistic or something? No. He was just bad as hell. He just needed his ass whooped on that plane. And the dad was acting like a straight-up PUSSY with that kid. I told you, relax. Come on, you have to relax. There's people on the plane. You can't keep kicking in the back of the chair. I'm like, bro, are you kidding me right now? Snatch this little kid. And I was not in the mood. I was tired. I wanted to get home. We were sitting on the runway for an hour. waiting to take off. Oh my God, man. And y'all know how I am. Y'all know I love kids. Y'all know I love kids, but it's not even the kids. I don't even blame the kids when the kids be acting like that. It's the parents. It's the parents. Your kids act stupid like that. It's the parents. And no, the kid in front of me was white. The kid behind me was black. It was the ones behind me that gave me the most trouble. The kid in the front, he was cutting up when they first got on the plane, and the mama shut that down quick. The ones in the back, the two boys in the back that was running the dad ragged like he was a retard, those were the ones that were giving me hell. And I'm looking around the plane like, man, is there an empty seat? I'll even sit in the middle seat at this point. Cause no, come on, man. Pay extra money on a flight to sit in the front somewhere and you have some knucklehead kid making noise. I'm like, bro, y'all need to be in the back of the plane with all that noise. Y'all need to be by the bathrooms acting like that. Crazy, 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 man. Let me tell you. Maybe autistic or behavioral. Nah. Behavioral, yeah. Autistic, nah. I know autistic when I see it. Them kids were not autistic. Those little fuckers were just bad as shit. They needed some slaps behind the head to calm the hell down. Making all that damn noise on a plane that late. And they didn't sleep at all on the plane either. People were trying to sleep. They were the only ones up on that whole flight. If looks could kill, guys, the way I looked at that man before I got off that plane, if looks could kill, he would have been dead. Because I was livid. Somebody needs to come out with an airline that has no kids allowed. No kids allowed. You know how they have cruises, no kids. They have clubs, no kids. They have events and stuff with no kids allowed. They need an airline that is no kids allowed. So people can book their flight and know that they're going to be on a flight with peace and quiet. You don't got to hear screaming, crying, running, jumping, kicking, none of that shit. I promise you, I would pay triple the price for that. I would pay triple for that. No freaking kids. They need an airline just for that. Business professionals, people that want to work on the plane, people that want to sleep on the plane, we need a flight just for that. Because some idiots do not know how to control their badass kids on an airplane, which is ridiculous. If it was an infant crying, okay. It sucks that you have to hear that. But it's a baby. You can't do anything about a baby crying. The most you can do is try to comfort the baby. But you got 5, 6, 7-year-old kids? No. No, it's time to start smacking people at that point. I'm not an advocate for beating kids and hurting kids. But when a kid needs a smack, he needs a smack. And when I have kids and my kids act stupid in public, you're getting smacked in public. Straight up. You want to act stupid? You're going to get smacked. Don't play with me. Don't do that. We don't do that at home. Nah, you were raised properly. Crazy, man. Island guy, too. Heavy ass Bahamian accent. Can't control his damn kids. Ain't that something? Island people usually don't play with their kids like that. But nah. Anyway, guys, I'm done venting. We're back. So that's the reason why I wasn't on yesterday. I went through a whole lot getting home yesterday. Shouldn't have happened, but it did. But we're back at it on the charts here. I was surprised at how much US30 was moving over the holiday. A lot of movement during Thanksgiving. Lots of movement during that Friday. A lot. I brought my laptop with me. But I didn't actually plan on trading because, I'm on vacation. I don't really trade when I'm out chilling. But a friend of mine texted me and was like, yo, Charlene, look at how crazy the market is moving. A lot of volume. I'm like, what? So, of course, out of curiosity, I jump on the charts and I see it and I'm like, oh. So, yes, I was laying in bed, kicking it with my cousin, trading on Thanksgiving morning. And Friday. So, but not long, caught a few moves and got in and got out. So it was nice. Yesterday, I took a trade yesterday as well during London. Last night, whatever. took a trade during London and day before as well. So lots of volume this week. US30 is moving very nicely this week. Price has been holding this area of support right here. Kind of just bouncing. You kind of have to look for the buy continuations at this point because price has been holding. It's not really showing any signs of bearish movement. I'm concerned about the rejections right here. Lots of rejections going on up here. I don't know what that's about, but at this point in time where the market is now would be excellent for entries to look for price to continue bullish. So probably going to be looking for buys, and where price is now looking ripe for the buy actually from where it is now. Let me go down to the 1 hour. Yeah, it's looking sweet for the buy. Let me make sure we don't have any crazy news today. Okay, yeah, we got something at 10 o'clock, but I don't think that's going to be anything crazy. So we should be in the clear. So a 5 minute. So I like that we made this push to the downside here because it's giving perfect for the buys to push back up from this area of support. Don't know if it's going to tap this low. It may not. They may reject and come back, but we're going to see how low we can take it. And the setup will look a little something like this. A little something like that. Something like this. So we're going to wait and see if we get some rejection, which we are already. But this hour candle just began. Perfect area to take some buys. Perfect area to look for some buys. I wish we could break this high. We probably need some volume to break this high here, but we'll see. But either way, it's still a very nice push to the upside here. So this is an excellent area. I'm actually going to take a buy here. I'm going to take one buy position here. All right, guys, I'm in a buy currently. All right. And we will see how this Mama Gemma wants to play out here. Now, typically you want to wait for the rejection for price to push, but because it's about to be New York Open, there's going to be some volume coming in. It may do something like this. It may push down, then turn around and go right on back up and not give us the best kind of entry that we want. So we kind of have to, you know, play the drawdown game for a little bit until price can push where we need it to push. What I'm hoping for is that price doesn't just melt somehow, because we've been holding this area for a while now and we're not pumping any higher, but we'll see if price can hold this area of support and we can continue and go back up and potentially continue the bullish structure that we've been on for the last couple days now. As you can see here, not much, right? Every time the market made a big push, we came down, found support, push, rejected, found support, push, rejected, find support, and then make a higher high. So the market looks like a little like this, a little jagged like that. So that's kind of what we're looking for right now. All right. So, booyah, booyah, booyah. Oh, let me do this. Let's see. All right, let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. Haven't looked at gold in a sweet minute here. Good morning, good morning, good morning, chat. Good morning. All right. Gold, handy dandy gold. Let's see here. So gold is on a nice bullish run right now. Nice and bullish. Holding the support here.
Miami-Dade Transit is hiring. Apply now for a full...
Really? Gold is bullish right now. Gold is very bullish. I think we're gonna come down some more here. I think we're gonna pull back a little bit down here. I think we're gonna tap this area again before we push back up, if we push back up from there. Not the cleanest move, but we already have one dip, push back. Another dip coming here. We need a closure below this area here. We need a closure below this area for the sell-off for 40 points. Yeah, 40 points. Let's see. Let's see. On the daily, super bullish on the daily, but this could very well come down to this support here and retest it. If I bust out a fib on the daily, let's see here. Yes, sir. What do you know? what do you know? Booyah. But because we're so bullish, I don't know if that's going to happen. Because we're so bullish, I don't know. We need to break this support. If we do not break below this support, then we're going to go back up, which it's doing now. We're either going to push bullish here or push down from there. This area right here is going to be our determining factor. Yes. And that's all, folks. That's all. That's what I got for y'all for gold today. All right, let me go through the chat here and see what we got going on here. Medicodes was forced to change their rules, so KOT and others got chopped. Now KOT uses display markets guys their own charts too. How was the trip? Trip was good. The trip was good. Had a lot of fun. A lot of fun. Very good trip. I always have a good time in New York. Always, always, always. And if you guys are not aware, I am from New York. I was born and raised in New York. So yes, your girl is a New Yorker. Why is USD not very volatile lately? Where you been at, buddy? Where have you been? Where have you been? Why does it matter if it's a white kid? LOL. You know why it matters, George. You know why. You know why. Good morning, Charlene. Welcome back. Coming on to the session, and this is how it's starting. You guys know you guys are my therapy. I use you guys to vent my problems with. You guys know that. You know how we do it on here. Time to start my next business. Yes. Somebody come out with an airline with no kids allowed. Can you check GU, please? Nope. Nopey, nopey, nope. Does Charlene scalp or day trade? Market has been flat the past few days. Depends on the pair you're looking at. The weekly needs to pull back. Look at the monthly for US30. I don't need to go that far back in time frame. I'm in a sell since London session, taking partials now. Very good, very good. We're forming a lower high on gold. Coming down, okay. What trade are you in? Just joined. She's in US30. In the gold analysis, is there a need to check monthly, daily, hourly before settling for a specific lower time frame? The higher time frames are for your analysis. The lower time frames are for your entries. The lower time frames are for your entries. That's it. There's no one time frame that's more important than the other. All time frames are important. You were looking like a snack. A whole snack, honey. A whole snack. We're forming a lower high. Okay. Was New York City cold enough for you? Yeah, it was pretty cold. It was colder now than it was when I went for the funeral. Much colder, actually. Much colder. And the gold analysis is okay, I already read that. What part of New York? I was born in Brooklyn, but I grew up on Long Island. Good to have you back. Hope you managed to get the turkey neck. I did. I did get my turkey neck. I did get it. That was the first thing I went for. That was the first thing I grabbed was my turkey neck. I wasn't playing with nobody. I was not playing with nobody. Sold gold from Sunday night. I'm holding for the rest of the year and next year. Don't try this at home. Charlene, can you explain how to work out lot size in indices? Just test them out on demo, buddy. It's that simple. Go open up a demo account and test out the lot sizes and see which one you're comfortable with. Simple, simple. Charlene, do I see a head and shoulders situation shaping up on US30? On what time frame? I'm not seeing a head and shoulders. This is a straight range here, and we are literally ping-ponging from these highs to these lows. So I don't see much in the way of a head and shoulders. I don't know. Well, you have to tell me what time frame you're thinking of, you're looking at, because I'm not seeing that. I'm not seeing that. HANKOTRADE still okay despite rumors about unregulated brokers? Well, clearly they are, because I'm still using them. It's so funny when people DM me asking me, hey, how do you like your broker? Why are you still using them? Are they good? Is everything okay with them? I wouldn't be using them if things weren't good, guys. If someone's using a broker, that means they're happy with them. They like them. If they're promoting them, they like the broker. They're using it. So don't ask that question. It's a dumb question. Don't ask somebody, hey, you drive a Mercedes-Benz. Why do you drive a Mercedes? How do you like it? Does it give you problems? Are you sure it doesn't give you problems? What are some things you don't like? If they have something, it's because they like it to some degree. They like it enough to be using it. They like it enough to be using it. That's usually the case. Usually the case. Not always, but majority of the time it is. So in this case, you guys see me using and promoting a certain broker. That means I like the broker and I'm using them because I like them enough to be using them. That's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Looking at the 4-hour chart and head and shoulders US30. That's why I say, guys, we're very much individuals on the chart. We are very much individuals on the chart, because where somebody here sees a head and shoulders, I absolutely positively do not see a head and shoulders here. I just don't. I'm not understanding where it's seen here, because you need head and shoulders usually looks like this. Shoulder, head, shoulder. That's what a head and shoulder looks like. This is what I see here. That's what I see here. I'm not seeing a head and shoulders here at all. If you see it, perfect. That's what you see. I don't see that, so no. I have to disagree. Of course, yeah. Do you have any sales for Black Friday? No. I never put my course on sale. What's the least amount of money you need in your account to trade US30? Depends on your broker. Flatbush over here. I like the wing. Can you please show us gold? I already did. Charlene, you killed it in the black. Almost was in your DM to shoot my shot. Nice to see you dressed up. I'm used to the hoodie and t-shirt. Yeah, guys, I can be girly when I want to be. I can be Charlene when I want to be. There's Charlene FX, and then there's Charlene. It's my alter ego, Charlene. You know, I have my days where I want to be girly and I want to dress up nice in a cute pair of heels and, you know, look like a snack. And there are days where I just want to be comfortable. Unfortunately, looking comfortable means shorts, sweats, t-shirt, and just relaxing. You know, I like to be comfortable over anything. And the way you guys saw me dressing, that was me looking nice and being comfortable at the same time. At the same time. Nothing more, nothing less. I hate it when I have to wear a pair of heels that hurt my feet in the first 10 minutes of wearing it. You can't even really enjoy looking good because you're in so much pain. Us females, we go through a lot when we get dressed up. Okay, we gotta do our hair, we gotta do makeup, we gotta get dressed, we gotta look good, we gotta put on heels, we gotta do this, we gotta do that. You men have it very easy. All y'all gotta do is get a haircut and put on a nice suit. That's all y'all gotta do. Don't get a haircut, put on a suit, spray a little cologne, and walk out the door. Y'all don't have to do shit. Us women, we got it difficult. We got to go above and beyond to look good for you guys and ourselves. So y'all better appreciate it when your girl dresses up and tries to be sexy and look good for you, because it's work. It is work, honey. And then you got to come home and take all that stuff right back off again. And when you go out, you got to do it all over again. So let me tell you, it's work. It's work. But yes, I have my moments when I like to dress up. So was the Lambo for marketing or personal purchase? What kind of question is that? What kind of question is that? Charlene, I'm waiting for liquidity sweep on US30. Cool. What is gold talking about? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Pumping up here, moving up in the world, US30. Keep yourself moving up here and we will be happy kid in the neighborhood here. Beautiful. I only have one position open, guys. That's because like I said, I took some positions during London session, secured a nice win on London session. So I'm not very, gung-ho about over-trading. So that's why I only took the one position here today. Let that ride out, and that'll be it for today. For me, trading-wise today. So if you're in this trade, hopefully you're in profit, or if you didn't take it, you're learning something from it. But that's why you guys don't see me, stacking, going heavy, all that stuff, because this is not the first trade of the day for me. So that's that. What's the US30 code under M5? Again, that depends on your broker. They all list them differently. If you're looking for your thing, just go to CFDs, indices, type in US30, type in U30, type in 30, type in the search bar something that has to do with US30, and it should pop up eventually. It should pop up. It should pop up. Oh yeah, come on with the negative comments so I can kick you guys out. Come on with it. Come on with it. I'm for the shits and giggles today. I woke up and chose violence this morning. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Up a cool $1,000 today, adding to my profit from earlier. Let's see if US30 can continue pumping up and we can grab a move up here. That would be excellent for today. That would be excellent. Trading, profits, and Lambo, please. I'm new here. How do I get the signals? You're looking at them right now. You're looking at how to get signals right now. I did arms in the gym yesterday, and oh my God, and my arms sore is all outside today. Super duper sore today. Anybody in profit right now? Why don't you charge for something like this? I do. I do. The currency is alike. The currency is alike. And it looks like a lot of you are broke today because the likes are not matching the views. So I guess some people can't afford the like. So that's what I charge. Currency to pay to watch this is just to like. But please, how do you manage psychology? I don't over leverage, I don't over trade. Those are the two biggest issues of psychology. Over leveraging and over trading. People taking too many trades and too heavy on their account. Just started trading 10 days ago after binge watching your videos. Hopefully I make it by 2027. That's funny. I love you, Charlene. I love you back. Love you back. Yep, I didn't use my normal lot size, unfortunately. I know you didn't. I know. I know. I know. Okay, we all get greedy every now and again. It's okay. It happens. What are you gonna do? You know? To the people that I have run into at the gym, hope you guys are watching. Totally a pleasure meeting you guys. I met a gentleman in the gym yesterday who said that my YouTube channel is an inspiration to him, even though he trades futures. He doesn't trade Forex, he trades futures. But he is thoroughly inspired by my journey. And it was very, very great meeting him for the second time. So if you're watching, I won't say your name, but if you're watching, hopefully I'll see you at the gym today. We can chat it up. And the other guys, well, I haven't seen him in a couple of days, but we'll see. But it's really cool meeting people out in public, getting to know, people you have, talked to, inspired, and all that good stuff. It's really cool. It's really, really cool. So, I'm in profit. Cool. Cool. Enough already. I heard you the first time. Sheesh. Please, how do you manage psychology when your account is in drawdown? You trust your analysis. Trust your analysis. A drawdown is part of trading. You're going to have to endure drawdown. You're going to have to. It's part of trading. See, when I entered this trade, I knew I might be in drawdown. You're not always going to get the best entry. You got to account for drawdown in your trading plan. You got to account for losses in your trading plan, because those are part of trading. Drawdown is a good thing. It's not bad. It's not bad. Just give your trade a little wiggle room and you should be fine. You should be fine. I got a lot of I love yous in this chat. I love you guys too. Love you guys too. Oh, my heart is so full today. Dropping all the I love yous in there. I love it. Love it. Love it. Love you guys back, man. Love you back. Yeah, I took a W on US30. Yes, that means you guys took profit. Those of you that are smart took profit. Those of you that are smart took profits. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm about to have a 12K day today off this trade if it goes up to $2,000. Because I think I closed out about at like 9K today, 9 or 10K. So if this goes up to 2,000, we can have a solid 12K day, and that'll be the day for me. Don't even need to hold it to see if it pushes all the way up here. Nice trade, Charlene. Got a sniper entry. Have gone break even and close 40%. God carry on. Bless you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Charlene, bless up yourself. Me just press the like. Me not do it. Feed the love. But me feed the likes. Okay. What you just said. What you said. What he said, guys. What time do you trade every day? I start around 7 in the morning every day, 7:30ish Eastern time. But some nights when I can't sleep, I will be up during London to see what's going on. So last night I couldn't sleep much. You know, I slept a whole morning yesterday because I was up late. So I was up last night. That's why I traded London last night. That's why. I don't always trade London though. I'm usually asleep. Up a couple pips. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, man. All y'all in profit, and these likes are just lagging right now. 700 people watching, 200 likes. Ouch. Ouch. Charlene, the baby goat. Why I gotta be the baby goat? I'm the goat. I ain't the baby goat. I'm the mama goat. I'm the mama and the daddy goat. I ain't the baby. Just kidding. I'm up on this trade. Can you trade units with HANKOTRADE? Ask them and find out. I love you. Love you back. Close half my positions and I'm now at break even. Yaya Thomas. I love that. Yaya Thomas, you are saying that you are great with risk management. You have no problem with taking profit at a certain point. You are going to be, if you're not already, a very, very profitable trader one day. Very profitable trader. Because you're not afraid to take profit. Look, he said closed half. And now he's at break even, which means this trade is a risk-free trade for him or her. I love it. I absolutely love it. 12K days, wow, complete respect. Absolutely. Absolutely. A 1K day is wild too. Imagine making $1,000 a day. Ain't that crazy? Don't get caught up in the big numbers, guys. It's about wins and consistency. Forget the numbers. Forget the 12K, 10K, 5K, 100K, 4K, 5K. Forget that. Just look to be consistent and try to win as much as you lose. And when you do lose, try to lose less than you win. That's how you're going to be consistent. The numbers and the money will follow. It'll come on its own. It'll flow on its own. It's a byproduct of the skill of actually trading. That's it. That's it. I had 3 positions open. They were each at about 3K. One was at 28K, something like that. And once I saw it hit, I was like, oh, I'm good with this for the day. Close, close, close. Close, close, close. And when I closed, it kept on running. But I was okay. I won for the day. Kept on pumping. Go ahead, do your thing. You're not going to catch the whole move every time. You're just not. But I have found profitability in taking profits. You will never go broke. You will never blow an account taking profit. You got to be okay with not catching the entire move. You got to. Just because you see this here doesn't mean I'm trying to catch this here. Because you know what? I have no idea, earthly clue, if the market is ever going to hit here. I don't know. I don't know. And I don't care. Because I just want to win. I just want to win. Let me see if I should close this trade real quick. I just want to make sure it doesn't, I don't want to go back at drawdown. I want it to stay above this area here. So I need this candle to reject. I need it to reject the same way its little brother did right next door. I need this candle to reject and come right back up in the next 20 minutes. I don't want this candle to close like this. I want it to come up and see if we can finally break this high and continue bullish here. That's what I want to see. I don't want it to go back into drawdown because I don't know how much longer we're going to hold this support for price to continue bearish. So I want it to continue up here. We ain't good, but we still good. I love that song. I've been listening to it on repeat for the last like 3 days. Please, what was your entry confluences? Get my course, buddy. Get my course. If you missed it, go back and rewatch the live. That's the beauty of YouTube. You can rewind. You can rewind. Watch my other live sessions. You guys will learn a lot. You'll learn a lot. You really will. It's a good thing, Jamaican slang. Love it and love it alone. Love and love alone. Cool. Appreciate you getting up and giving back to the community every day. It's my duty. Thanks for the encouragement, Charlene. You're welcome. A $500 day is good too. The average person ain't making that in 2 hours. Facts. Facts. Facts on facts on facts. Let me tell you guys. Y'all have seen me have big days here. Y'all seen me have little days here. Y'all seen me take losses here. Big losses and little losses. You got to take the good with the bad, guys. Take the good with the bad. It's all part of the journey. Everybody you see hitting days, they're not hitting them days every day. Sorry to break it to you. They're not. Okay? If you have somebody that shows you big days only, never shows losses, never talking about, you know, the ups and downs of trading, they're capping. Straight cap. Okay? Trust me. No one talks about the dark side of trading. The blown accounts, sleepless nights, back-to-back losses. All that good stuff. No one talks about that enough. It's a part of the journey. We all have to go through it. We all have to go through it. Charlene, my favorite mama goat with the love from South Africa with love. Appreciate you, appreciate you. Does anyone use the Forex Thunder prop? My entry was 35344, way below Charlene's entry. Their spreads must be pretty big, or they just they just have crappy execution. That's all. Remember, guys, these props are not your friend. They don't want you to win, okay? Remember that. They don't. They want you to lose. What does it mean when I place a trade on MT5 and it just says started, but I can't close or do anything? It means it's frozen. It means MetaQuotes is frozen. So you have to wait for it to unfreeze. And it's not the broker. It's not the broker. Don't be quick to blame the broker. Y'all be forgetting the broker is just using a separate platform. It's the platform you gotta get on. If somebody DMs you on Instagram, they're like, hey, I DM'd you, you're not answering. You're not answering, what's going on? Are you gonna blame the person, or could it just be Instagram is having an issue and it's not showing the DM for whatever reason? Could be anything. But always remember, there's a conduit in between you and the user interface. So sometimes you just have to understand that and just be patient. Technology is not always 100%. So, what do you think is a decent amount to start with a small account with? 0. If you don't have money, don't trade. If you have the skill, go get a prop account. I don't believe in trying to build small accounts. It's too hard. It takes too long, and it's very frustrating. If you must, minimum $500 to $1,000. But if you can't save up a solid $2,000-3,000 to put in your account to start with, it's gonna be tough. If you really don't have it, $500 to $1,000. Will you be visiting Africa and Kenya? I hope to one day. I signed up with Hanko. I must say I'm loving the spreads. Love your shirt, by the way. Thank you, thank you, thank you. They're a great broker. Notice with all the broker drama going on, you don't hear Hanko in none of that garbage. Hanko is still on meta quotes, minding its own business, doing its own thing, and all the people that were talking shit are the ones that got kicked off. See what I'm saying about karma, guys? I'm trying to tell y'all. Stay in your own lane. Stay in your own lane and mind your own business. Do your own thing. Don't worry about all that outside noise. Stay out the way. Do your own thing, and things will work out for you. But when you walk around starting stuff with other companies and other people and talking smack and all this other stuff, you're going to eat your words one day. You're going to eat your words. Nothing good ever comes out of bashing another company, another brand, another person to build up someone or something else. You ever meet people that belittle other people to make themselves feel better? Those people are losers. Those are the ones that are the most insecure people about themselves. They're the ones that are like, you know what? I feel like shit about myself, so I'm gonna make someone else feel like shit, and maybe that will help me make me feel less shitty about myself. It doesn't. It doesn't. You don't need to bash someone else to build yourself up. If your product is that good, stand on the fact that your product is good because of all the reasons why your product is good. Not because this other product sucks over here. Meanwhile, you just got on the scene yesterday and this other product has been around for years. If you sell something and your product is that good, guaranteed somebody else out there sells the same thing. But you shouldn't have to bash that other person's product to lift yours up, especially when you're selling the same exact thing. You shouldn't. And look what happened. Look what happened. People need to just shut up and mind their business, do their own thing, and be good. This industry would be perfect if people would just mind their business. Just focus on what you got going on. Don't worry about nothing else or nobody else. It really would. All of this broker drama is unnecessary. Period. Unnecessary. It don't make no sense. Makes no sense to me whatsoever. I don't get it. But if you do want to sign up with HANKOTRADE, link is in my description box. Enjoy. Please don't take me back in the drawdown. I don't want to go back in the drawdown. Come on, stop it. Don't do that to me. I just wanted a measly 2,000. That's it. That's what I get for being greedy today. 8:45, all through 9 o'clock. Ugh, come on. Turn around and go back up. Turn your butt around and go back up. Can someone in Nigeria register? If you go to the website, if you click on the link and you try to sign up, that will answer all your questions, my friend. That'll answer your questions. The time it takes you to write that question, you could just go over to the link and try to sign up and answer it for yourself. You can be self-sufficient, right? You can be self-sufficient. You sound like Denzel in American Gangster. Denzel, yeah. What's your opinion on binary options trading? I don't have one way or the other. I don't know much about it. I think HANKOTRADE will be removed too. I'm sorry you feel that way. Please, where do you think is the best level to take a... Can you guys read your messages before you send them? Because I don't know what you're trying to say in them here. I can't understand your question, Mr. Banjo Nestor. News at 9. Okay, I'm using MT4. My candles are 50 points. Is it a reason for that? Yeah, you have a different broker. That's it. Different broker, different liquidity provider. That's it. That's it. I really don't want the fact that we keep rejecting these highs here to mean that we're probably going to start coming down, because the way that this candle is closing, because it closes in 12 minutes and it's a 4-hour candle, even though we've been holding this area of support here, the way it's closing is stronger than this candle, that candle, that candle, and that candle. That's why I did not want it to come down and close here, because if it closes here, it's showing the bearish momentum is picking up volume here. But as long as we hold this, the trade is still very much valid if we hold this area here. If we start to trend down here and start playing around in these lows, that's a problem. That's a problem. I would love for the market to keep its butt up here. Don't try to come test these waters down here, because that means now we're breaking all these 4-hour lows. Especially if we get a candle closure below this area, we're breaking them candle lows. And you don't want to see that happening. I want to see bullish structure continue up there. So I'm gonna hold and hope that we don't close below this area, and if we don't, maybe we can see the next candle open up, form a bottom wick, then turn around and come up a little bit and give us, you know, proper structure. So we will see. Okay. Next month, I will be selecting the winner of the trading setup giveaway. I'm going to be picking the winner in about 2 weeks. So that's going to be interesting. So those of you that are new here that are not aware, I have a giveaway happening now. It is a trading setup giveaway where you're going to get a custom built CPU, monitor, mouse, all that good stuff, keyboard, and you're going to have a nice trading setup to kick off 2024. So the way that you enter that giveaway, make yourself known. Comment in the chat, like my streams, comment my videos, DM me, comment on my stuff on DM, make yourself visible to me so I know who you are, and show that you're a loyal supporter of my journey, of myself, all that. And I will be selecting one person to win a custom built trading setup. Be right back, guys. Hello, Charlene. I love your patience. Can you show the person you're getting the setup from again? Even if I don't win, I'd like to get one. Sure. So this is the IG page of my computer guy. This is him, PCFX. If any of you are wondering which PC I have this one here. I have this baby right here. This is exactly how my PC looks. It's slightly different, but this is how it looks here, okay? But he does do custom setups, okay? The whole shebang. Just super dope, super dope. And the PC is going to be whatever you want. I'm gonna talk to the winner, and they're gonna tell me what they want. If they like, let's say, this futuristic transformer looking thing here, they can have that, you know. If the person tells me, hey Charlene, I don't just trade, I'm also a gamer, you know, I like to play games online, we're gonna customize it for that as well. It's gonna have top memory, super fast, it's gonna be very quiet, right? We're only gonna use the best products with the computer, lights, graphics, everything. It's gonna be as cool as you guys see my desktop is, or my setup is. That's as cool as that computer is gonna be. So it's gonna be dope. Okay, Mr. Billy Forex, you need to be put on timeout because you're acting up in the chat right now. Look at how cool that looks, guys. Look at that. Oh my god, look at the lights on that baby. That's dope. That's dope. Alright guys, so this is what I have at home, guys. This is what my computer looks like. All these different lights change color, all these, yeah, super quiet, all that good stuff. So very good stuff. This is dope. This is dope. So, give him a follow. Go follow him, ask questions. If you don't win, you can still get one for yourself. But the winner also will be communicating with him also. They're going to be talking to him as well, because he might have to ask you certain questions about, you know, what you want, specifically what you like. That way I don't have to go back and forth. You can just talk directly to him, and you know, he will get you right. He will get you where you need to be. All right. What is going on here? This thing is bugging out today. Yeah, I think that'd be a nice little Christmas giveaway. Super nice, super dope. We are struggling to go up, guys. I don't know. We're struggling to go bullish here. I don't know why we're struggling to go, but we are.
What?
Gotta turn off your events in MT5 to stop the sound. Oh, I don't know how to do that. I wasn't having problems with it. It's just the sound. It's just that sound kept popping up. I don't know what that was about. Up over 2K on the day. Thank you for keeping our company, Charlene. Trading is boring. Okay, got that right. Got that right. Surprised y'all didn't get switched to Trade Locker. It switched my account. My trade are taking forever to close. Guys, will y'all relax? Chill out, people. Sheesh. Charlene, what's your cash app? Lunch on me today. SharleneFX. Y'all trying to hook me up with lunch? SharleneFX. That's my cash app. All of my handles to everything I have is SharleneFX. Okay, okay. Gold has left the building. Gold is gone, honey. What it did right here, bum, gone. Gold has left the building. Thank you, Kavon Harris. Sent me $50 for lunch today. Thank you. Might go to Cheesecake Factory with that. So many people, so many girls. I don't need Cheesecake Factory. What's wrong with Cheesecake Factory? Cheesecake Factory is the shit. I don't know what y'all talking about. That menu is busting, honey. Better ask somebody. Gold has left the building. How much higher did it go when it broke? Oh, 37 to 40 points. Gold looking a lot like US30 here, just taking off. Range a little and then bye-bye. Little itty bitty range, and she is gone, honey. She is gone. Bye-bye. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Markets are slower at the end of the month. Holiday season, big players packing up. Still good setups out there. Yeah, there is. It's hit or miss. It's hit or miss. Charlene, we got volume in about 20 minutes. I'm aware. I'm aware. Do you ever think of trading oil? Nope. Charlene, what do you miss most about living in New York? The holidays. The holidays for sure. Doesn't really feel like Christmas without some snow. Without you don't really get the holiday vibes living in Florida. Seeing palm trees outside instead of snow-covered trees is different. That's pretty much it. I don't really, I just prefer living in Florida. Too cold in New York. Too cold. Not enough warm months. If winter was just like 2 months out the year, 3 months, we would be all right. You literally have to endure the cold from October to like March, almost April. And that's too many months of cold for me. Too many. I just want 9:30 to hit and the market just does that. I just wanted to do that. Just take off. What is HANKOTRADE? Look in the description box and you'll see. Oil went off today. Why do y'all insist on talking about pairs that we are clearly not trading here? What is it with y'all with that? I don't get it. We're not even looking at that. Why do we give a shit that oil took off? We're not trading oil. Some of you guys are wild, man, with some of the stuff y'all be doing, man. It's crazy. Talking about stuff we're not even looking at right now. We're not looking at oil. We haven't looked at oil one time today. I would take the palm trees over the cold any day. Yeah. It's just, you know, it's just a different vibe, that's all. It's a different vibe during the holidays, that's all. Do you trade all of December or do you take a break? I take a break. The last 2 weeks of the month, I take a break. I feel you. I hate the winter here. I'm moving the first chance I get, but I definitely have to do it. Christmas here, it requires snow. It does. It does. She's actually so funny, the dumb questions people ask. I'm telling y'all, man. Charlene, do you prefer medium rare or well done? Practicing for when we meet. I'm a medium well girl. Medium well. More on the medium side, boy. A little char on the top. I like my steak with a nice char. Apparently, a lot of restaurants don't understand that though. They overcook the meat when they do that. They don't know. They don't have that touch with the steak. So. I'm from New York. Where did you live? I lived in a very small town called Bloomingburg. I lived in Hauppauge, New York. I lived in a lot of parts of New York. I lived in Brooklyn. I lived in Queens. I lived in Long Island. I lived in Staten Island at one point. I lived all over New York, but mostly Long Island. Texted you on IG. I will check that later. Charlene, what month have the most volume or good? Okay, that's a dumb question. Looking forward to joining your live group in January. Awesome. Yeah, guys, the list will open up. The wait list will open up next month. It will open up December 4th. Okay, December 4th. I wonder if you ever scrolled on IG prior, just see free YouTube and just get on. I feel stupid. I made 20,000 in 1 month on demo, but it wasn't real money. It feels good to make big money in trading. Can't wait to see you Friday. I'm ready to learn and earn. Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes. What's your biggest profit this day this far? Have you accomplished any goals this year you had? Are you kidding me? I hit my biggest day ever, 60K day. I bought my dream car. We hit 1,000 viewers on YouTube live. A lot of my students are successful, helping a lot of people. First in-person class is this week. Since for the last like 3 years, I haven't done one in 3 years. This will be my first one in 3 years. I hit a lot of milestones this year. This year was a great year. This year was an amazing year. You know, celebrated my 1 year anniversary from leaving my job. I mean, the list was on and on. Definitely blessings all around. Blessings all around. You know, some hard times, you know, every day wasn't the best. Every day wasn't the best. But you wake up every day, you put one foot in front of the other and you keep it pushing. That's all you can do. That's all you can do. There's literally just 2 goals that I have yet to hit. And, but those things are somewhat out of my control. So I'm just letting the universe do its thing and hoping the Lord will bless me with it one day. That's it. Other than that, I'm Gucci over here. We're good. Lots of blessings, lots of things to be thankful for. As a Haitian, I find it inspiring that there's another Haitian in the Forex business who's setting a great example for the others in our culture. Even more motivating that we live in the same city. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hopefully we get to meet one day. Is your strategy or course to be applied to higher time frames? As I am working most of the time and can't be on the charts. I don't teach swing trading. You need to go to a swing trader to teach you, because If you can't be on the charts and watch your trades and stuff, then it wouldn't serve you well at all. So I recommend you don't get my course. If you can't be on the charts, don't get it. It's not gonna help you. Oh boy, this chat is going crazy today. Can't wait to join the spring in person. Yeah, that'll be nice. It's either gonna be in March or April next year. Most likely April. So we'll see. Charlene, would you work at a hedge fund? Nope, because that means I would have a boss. I don't want a boss. I'm my own boss. You got a course? See the description box, guys. Description box. Hey Charlene, can I ask what lot size did you make 60K day? Standards. Standard lots on US30. Forex just placed me in debt right now. My psychology is a mess. I'm even afraid of my setups. Your live always gives me a different hope. Working on myself now. God bless you, Charlene. Yeah, if your psychology is a mess, sometimes you just need to step away. Don't put yourself in a deeper hole than you already are in. Just pull yourself out of that and try your best to clear your mind. Because you can't, trading is already stressful by itself. When you add, debt and losing and everything else on top of it, it's difficult. So I don't recommend that you continue trading if you know that your psychology isn't where it needs to be. Please make it in April, Aries gang. I don't like Aries people. Aries people are mean. You guys are mean. I don't want no Aries people in my classes. Aries people are mean. Y'all are some cold-blooded people, man. Y'all some mean people. Y'all some heartbreakers. I can't with Aries. I'm good on Aries. I'm kidding though. Yeah, gold is gone, man. Gold ain't pulling back no time soon. Gold said, peace. See y'all later. US30 is about to fly, hopefully. We about to find out. I just want to see it take off. Bye-bye. Take off. Just got here. Can you explain why you took the trade? Nope. You can rewind the YouTube and watch it back. That's it. It's good that we practice patience. Forex is not a get rich quick. Amen. Amen. Aries are mean for real. I'm telling y'all, man. When you messing with Aries, tread with caution. Tread with caution. They can be the sweetest, most adorable people, or they can be your worst nightmare. Let me tell you. They don't take no prisoners. How about Aquarius? I don't know too much about Aquariuses. What do you tell people when they ask you what is your job? I tell them I buy and sell candlesticks for a living. I do. I buy and sell candlesticks. That's what we do. Not lying, right? I've been traumatized by a Capricorn, shaking my head. Ouch. Free up on my Aries there. Yeah. Because I'm a Cancer. You put an Aries with a Cancer, you put one of the most hardest cold-blooded signs with one of the softest sensitive signs, and it's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a done deal at that point. I'm 17, been trading 2 to 3 months. Do you have any tips? Keep going, don't stop. Keep going. You're in the right spot. By the time you're 21, you'll never have to work a job. Just keep going. If you never want to work a job, keep going. Aries aren't that bad if it's during a leap year. That's funny. They don't take no prisoners. Y'all don't. They don't, man. They don't. They have no mercy. They have no mercy. Gold took off like a rocket. Yeah, gold is gone. I'm hoping US30 follows suit and just flies. We got 5 minutes till 9:30. All I want to see is boop, 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 boop. That's all I want to see. Really appreciate you, Charlene. Been following you for 8 minutes, and you are the reason I'm becoming profitable. Aw, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm not the reason though. You are. You are. You're the one putting in the hard work. So don't forget that. Don't forget that. You're the reason. You're where you are today. You are, my dear. Scorpio married to Aries. That water put out that fire. I guess. Charlene said Forex is like a pie or a pizza. Just take a piece and you're good, not the whole pie. Facts. Facts. I'm going to start using that. I buy and sell candlesticks. Yeah, we do. We buy and sell candlesticks. These are candlesticks we buy or we sell. Did I lie? Where's the lie? Aries are not mean. They just have a low tolerance for ignorance. They have a low tolerance for everything, it seems like. They don't have a tolerance for shit. How's your Lambo? It's good. It's good. Took her out yesterday for a spin. Took her to the gym yesterday. She missed me. She missed me a lot. Do you pay attention? Do you pay attention more to price or candle closures? Both. They both matter. They both matter. Anybody still in US30 buys? I'm just curious. Who's still in these buys? Anybody still in these buys? I'm trying to see something. I'm trying to see something. I know some of y'all are still in these buys. Who's here? Who's in these buys? S30 is dropping to 3,500. Okay. Still holding with you. I'm out. I'm out, guys. I've been out. I'm not in any trade right now. I'm done. See? Nothing running. I'm not in any trade. But I'm glad you guys are still in this because it started moving very nicely. Still moving nicely here. We got 3 minutes until we see some herky-jerky business going on here. So I was going to buy gold at start, but I was nervous. I wasn't 100% confident, so we're down below and living in this trade another day. Yep. Gold has left the building, honey. Gold said, F a pullback. I'm just gonna take off. Pullbacks are for guppies. You know the movie Little Mermaid, how Flounder used to call people guppies? A pullback is for a guppy. We don't need pullbacks around here. We're just gonna take off like a bullet. Bye-bye. We've been sitting in this range for God knows how long. And it said, no, 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 honey. We are bye-bye. Bye-bye. Does gold in US30 have correlation? No. I don't think so. No and no and no. Look at these bullish moves here. Barely any bottom wicks. It's just taking off here. Gold is on one. I wonder if gold is going to hit the 2050 price area here. We have news coming soon. I'm aware. I'm aware. Ooh, look at us go. Look at her go, guys. Look at that. Caught them buys from the bottom. Started from the bottom. Now we here. Started from the bottom. Let's go. What a day. What a day. $9.30, guys. It's $9.30. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Whiplash. Cracking the whip. US30 is cracking the whip and she's flying on us here. Okay. Well, we hit this high again. Lovely. We hit this high again. I don't know. We can't break this high, guys. We can't break it. It's not breaking. She's not breaking them highs. Maybe later on. I don't know. Ooh, look at that rejection. We cannot break that high. Ooh. You're not trading oil, someone else is, let them live. That's fine, but they can live somewhere else. Not in my live sessions where we're not trading oil. It's just stupid talking about a pair we're not even looking at. Don't come here trying to take up for your boy. Tell your boy to go to somebody else's live stream that trades oil. And then it would make sense that he's talking about oil in the chat. Simple. Kidding me? Don't come on here with all that. I want all the smoke. I want all the smoke in my chat, guys. Don't play with it. I'm here for all of it, honey. Don't play with it. It's ridiculous. It's like you doing a backtesting session talking about GJ and somebody's in there talking about GU. I have a question on Nas. Can we talk about Nas and everybody's looking at GJ? Where they do that at? That's just dumb to me, man. It's stupid. You don't make no sense. You look stupid when you do that. Stop it. Come in here defending that. How you can't defend that. You can't. You're talking about apples and oranges right now. We are not talking about oil. We did two pairs. It's in the title in the live stream. Forex live trade session, New York, November 28th, 2023, US30 and gold. Not US30, gold, EU, oil, GJ, AU. No. US30, gold. That's it. That's it. If you come to someone's live session and they're not trading the pair that you trade, you can find someone that trades your pair online. There's a lot of live traders online now. A lot of them there. Everybody's popping up. Like prop firms are popping up like crazy. So are people doing live trade sessions for free on YouTube. You can find someone that trades oil live. And then it would make sense that you ask questions and you drop analysis and you drop your outlook on that pair, because that's the pair they're talking about. It don't make sense to bring up a bunch of pairs that we're not even looking at right now. It doesn't. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm just saying it doesn't make sense to do that. It don't make sense. You can't walk into a cooking class and ask about a car engine. They're gonna look at you like you're stupid. We're not fixing cars in here, we're cooking. Go to a mechanic school for that. It's the same thing. Come on, guys. Be for real. Be for real, guys. Come on. I'm not looking at no other pairs in here. I'm not looking at no other pairs. it's gonna be US30 or it's gonna be gold. And pretty soon I'm gonna kick gold off. Pretty soon it's gonna be straight US30. Okay? Okay. Come on. Come on, guys. Gold can kick rocks. Come on now. Gold was the old bay. Gold was old bay. Y'all are funny. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap up the free live. I'm gonna jump over to my private live in a few. Y'all be good. Today was a nice session. We got a nice little win today on US30. I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, same time, same place. If you're interested in signing up for my broker or my course link, all of those links are in the description box of my videos. All right, excellent session today, guys. Once again, I apologize about missing yesterday, but today was a good day. We made up for it, all right, in a lot of ways. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Y'all be good, and as always, it's your favorite female trader, Charlene FX, and I'm out.
Thanks a lot.